The unicorn is super cute. My grandma was here today at my office and I showed her how they give you a hug, and I had her get a hug. They are 3 pounds weighted, but beyond that, look how freaking cute he is. They're on a crazy sale. This is the lowest price that QVC has done, and they have free shipping with this. So I do love the unicorn. Look at the little hearts. We can't forget about Mr. Fox because he is also just as adorable. Look at how long these arms are. You've got to get these for every kiddo on your list, or just a 40-year-old that you know like me that loves stuffed animals. I'm going to link the sale below. You guys can take a look.